going to practice some more questions in the topic of chemical effect of electric current. We are going to see about the first question, that is it is dangerous to touch an electrical appliance with wet hands. Explain why. Since wet hand acts as a good conductor, so we feel electric shock when we touch electrical appliances with wet hands. Explain why is a layer of zinc coated over iron. Layer of zinc is coated over iron because zinc prevents it from rust and corrosion. Mention any one important differences in the conduction of electricity by solids and liquids. Since no chemical changes takes place when electricity is allowed to pass through solids, while in liquids, chemical changes takes place when electricity is passed through it. What is saying is, let me repeat one more again. Mention any one important difference in the conduction of electricity by solids and liquids. Since no chemical changes takes place when electricity is allowed to pass through the solids, while in liquids, chemical changes takes place when electricity is passed through them. So, in solids, when we are conducting the electricity, there is no chemical change takes place. Chemical change is nothing but a new form of thing is not invented or it is not coming. But in which we conduct the electricity in liquid, it can happen. Chemical change can happen in liquid but not in solids. That point we have to understand. And the fourth question is, during the electrolysis of water at which electrode hydrogen gas is evolved. During electrolysis of water at which electrode hydrogen gas is evolved. Hydrogen gas is evolved in the cathode. Okay. Then give the name of these substances in which when added to the liquid makes them good conductor of electricity. Acid, bases and salts are those substances which when added to the liquids make them the good conductor of electricity. Give name of these substances which when added to the liquids make them good conductor of electricity. Which then added to the liquid, acid, bases and salts are those substances. Okay, acid, bases and salts which we add to the water, it gets as a good conductor of electricity. Sometimes we see that liquid is conducting but the bulb may not glow. Why? So this is because it can be a weak. Okay, let me take an experiment. Like if you have vinegar and lemon juice, okay, it conducts electricity but it has a weak conductor. It is a weak conductor. It will conduct the electricity but it is a weak conductor. So in that cases, the bulb will not glow because of the weak electrolyte. Because of the weak electrolyte, it can't. Weak electrolytes conduct electricity weakly. Okay. Then, will the solution of sugar is distilled water conduct electricity? Will the solution of sugar in distilled water conduct electricity? The sugar solution in distilled water will make it a good conductor of electricity and current can easily pass through it. Give the names of the three effects of electric current. The three effects of electric current, I have added it. The three effects of electric current are heating effect of current, magnetic effect of current, chemical effect of current, or the three effects of electric current. Okay, and the ninth question. Name the effect of electric current responsible for the glow of the bulb of an electric current. Heating effect of electric current is responsible for bulb to glow in an electric circuit. Name the effect of current responsible for the glow of the bulb in an electric circuit. Heating effect of electric current is responsible for the bulb to glow in an electric circuit. When a compass needle is brought near the current carrying wire. When a compass needle is brought near a current carrying wire, then what happens? When a compass needle is brought near a current carrying wire, the needle deflects. Mention whether the distilled water conducts electricity or not. The distilled water does not conduct electricity. Since when an electric current is passed through two solutions A and B, the bulb glows brightly for solution B and dimly for solution A. So which of the two is better conductor? as per the question, solution B is the better conductor. Okay, because it glows brightly for solution B. So they are asking which of the two is better conductor. So solution B is the better conductor, no? Mention the name of 3 liquids which can conduct electricity. 3 liquids which can conduct electricity are tap water, lemon juice, citric acid, vinegar, acetic acid. Don't confuse with this two, as vinegar also citric, lemon also citric. Vinegar should be acetic and lemon juice should be citric. Explain how we check that liquid conduct electricity. For checking whether the given liquid conduct electricity or not, we can use tester. Explain the magnetic effect of electric current. The electric current produces the magnetic field under which the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. Explain the magnetic effect of electric current. The electric current produces the magnetic field under which a current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. A chemical compound is produced by the method of electrolysis. Give an example. A chemical compound is produced by the method of electrolysis. Solution hydroxide or caustic soda is produced by the electrolysis of an aqueous solution, water solution, or sodium chloride. Mention the place where should be deposed the waste electrolytes in electroplating. The place where the waste electrolysis should be deposed far away from residential areas. Fresh fruits and vegetables conduct electricity to some extent. Explain why. Due to the presence of various salt solution in fruits and vegetables, they are able to conduct electricity to some extent. State which one is better conductor of electricity. Seawater or drinking water. Which is the better conductor? Seawater, because in seawater the salt content is more. So if the salt content is more, it is a good conductor of electricity. Why is tin electroplated on iron to make cans used for storing food? Electroplating is done on the iron to prevent it from rusting or corrosion, as it is cheap. Name some substances which make the liquid good conductor of electricity. Acid, bases and salts are some substances which make the liquid a good conductor of electricity. Give any two examples of a liquid conductor. Tap water, salt solution are the examples of liquid conductor. What is LED? LED is a device or a bulb which even glows at slow or small current. Does distilled water conduct electricity? No, distilled water does not conduct electricity. Name most common industry application of chemical effect of electric current. Electroplating is the most common industrial application of chemical effect of electric current. What happens when common salt is added to distilled water? Distilled water is not a good conductor of electricity, but adding common salt makes it conducting. Which form of energy conversion takes place in the electric cell? In electric cell. Thank you.